The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and futuristic smartphones ever created. Built for people who demand premium performance, cutting-edge photography, and a stunning design, this flagship device takes the Ultra series to a whole new level. If you're looking for a smartphone that blends innovation with luxury, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is ready to impress. First, the design immediately captures attention. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a sleek titanium frame paired with a refined glass back that feels both elegant and durable. The nearly bezel-less 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED display delivers an immersive viewing experience with ultra-sharp resolution and vibrant colors. Whether you're watching 4K videos, gaming, or browsing social media, the visuals look incredibly smooth thanks to the adaptive 1-144 Hz refresh rate. The display is also brighter than previous models, making it easy to use even under direct sunlight. Performance is another area where the Galaxy S26 Ultra truly shines. Powered by the next-generation flagship processor and paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone handles everything effortlessly. From heavy multitasking to high-end mobile gaming, the experience is incredibly fast and responsive. Apps open instantly, transitions are smooth, and the device stays cool even during intense usage. Combined with Samsung's optimized One UI software, the phone feels intelligent and efficient in everyday use. Photography lovers will especially appreciate the upgraded camera system. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature a groundbreaking 200-megapixel main sensor that captures stunningly detailed photos. Even in low-light conditions, the advanced AI image processing ensures brighter, clearer images with minimal noise. The improved periscope zoom lens allows users to capture distant objects with incredible clarity, making it perfect for travel photography, wildlife shots, or capturing moments at concerts and events. On the front, the high-resolution selfie camera delivers natural skin tones and sharp video quality for content creators and vloggers. Battery life is another highlight. The device packs a large battery designed to easily last an entire day of heavy usage. With advanced power optimization, users can stream, play games, and record videos without constantly worrying about charging. When you do need power, the ultra-fast charging technology quickly brings the battery back to life in a short time. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging also add convenience for powering accessories like earbuds and smartwatches. Samsung has also continued its commitment to productivity by including the iconic S Pen. The built-in stylus transforms the Galaxy S26 Ultra into a powerful tool for note-taking, creative drawing, and precise editing. Whether you're signing documents, sketching ideas, or navigating the interface, the S Pen adds a professional touch that few smartphones can match. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra represents the future of smartphones. With its breathtaking display, elite performance, revolutionary camera system, and powerful productivity features, it stands as one of the most complete flagship devices available in 2026. For tech enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals alike, this smartphone isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement of what modern mobile technology can achieve.